I have a zit on my forehead. And for 5 seconds, I was like, I can't do a video. But then I realized this is the internet, it's YouTube, and everybody here is super kind. So I have a feeling I'm not going to hear anything about the red zit on my forehead. Anyways, thank you guys for liking the video, subscribing, sticking around to the Drip Farm channel where we cover my journey in DeFi. As you guys know, the most popular Telegram group right now is Sellers Top 10 because from now until the end of the year, I am slowly revealing 10 projects that I'm making bank on. The first one was Automated Capital. That's right. I'm going to show you their partnership with NVFX. NVFX right here is an exchange out of country. You're not going to find that they're from the US. All that is, there's a reason for that. Look into it. But anyways, I joined this. You can see July 26th. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. Let's zoom up. Look at that. So I created this on July 26th. So it's September 8th. That means I've been in for about, we'll say 45 days. And you can see right here, guys, how much money is in my actual account. And you can see my net profit. Now, if I click this, you guys can see that I have 77,548. There's open trades of 389. The closed trades are 20,000. This thing has been pumping. I'm not kidding. I've made over $17,000 in 45 days in this thing. So remember when I showed you guys my trading losses in Bitcoin? This has definitely made up for it. Now, you can withdraw your money any Sunday you want. Yep, you simply come here, you click withdraw, and you tell them how much you want to withdraw, and you just say, I want to withdraw $5. You click withdraw, and then it opens up a request. I already experimented with this last week to withdraw. I withdrew like $720, and it literally came to my account within 24 hours. Amazing. So super happy with NVFX. The link is in the description if you want to join. If you want to join the Telegram group and see my other play number 2, I'm going to do a video on that next week, a follow-up, because things are going good. I'm making over 3% per week passively in my project number 2. You can find out what that is by joining. Man, I'll just show you. Screw this YouTube crap where you got to join a Telegram group. Bam! This is it. No, just kidding. But I do love me some drip. This is it. Novatech right here, guys. This thing pays over 3%. Literally, it's been paying over 3% per week for over 3 years. Okay, so join our Telegram group. Automated Capital made over $17,000 in 45 days. So it's freaking crazy. And you go, well, how much was your initial deposit? So I started with 25,000, then I added 10,000. I didn't show you this. Let me show you this. Their fees. You say, what are the fees? Well, if you put in 25,000, one, message me so I can airdrop you something. I'm going to definitely airdrop you something. If you put 25 grand in NVFX, that's high risk. But check this out. This is their fees. A performance fee of 12.5% and then a management fee of 2.5%. That's because I had my minimum investment of 25,000. I think it's like 18% if you do anything less than 25,000. So I have a whole Word document in our Telegram group that literally gives you step by step. You cannot screw this up. It's the first pinned comment in our Telegram group of exactly how to sign up for this. So yeah, it gives you all the positions, the trades that you're in. You can see them here. It's really awesome. So yeah, I'm super happy with these guys, and I've messaged them a lot. Even the owner of NVFX said he'd be willing to do a phone call with me, but he's not KYC'd, and I understand why they don't. You know, when you're running exchanges and they're not in the US, you just don't want to show your face, I guess. So a number of people have joined, hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I've got a ton of referrals. I wish I could show you, but I don't want to give everybody's name because this is just going really well. And you guys can tell me I'm stupid, but hey, if within a month you're making over $10,000 on 25,000, but I did add more money since then. Okay. Obviously I added 25,000, then I added 10,000, I added more. All you should care about is net profit. Okay. That's what looks sexy. And that's what I'm proud of that. I'm excited. So far, that's amazing. And you say, well, are they really trading? Yes. Yes, they are. This is their, look at that, up and to the right. And there will be little dips along the way. Look, there's a little dip back here, but they made it all back. How much gains are you up this week? We're up 12.85%. This here is inaccurate. It's like a rollover because I haven't traded yet. Every day in their Telegram, they report the results. This month, we're already up 9%. You say, yeah, well, maybe they're lucky. Okay, douche, listen to this. 2022, February, I would have made money, 2%. I would have made money here. I would have made money. They implemented some sort of algorithmic whatever bots that are literally cranking and working here in June. And we've got 57% return in 1 month. You make 57% of your money. So you put $1,000 in, you would be left with $1,570. Take your initial 1,000 out after a month and ride $570. 49% in July, 42%. Like, how can I ignore this, guys? Over 3 months here, even May is 9%. So 30, 60, 90, 120. Unbelievable. And then this month already, I'm at 9.4% making that on my money. This is better than Goldbridge. I mean, a little higher risk probably, right? So don't invest your mortgage in this sucker. Don't invest that ever in anything. This is freaking DeFi, but automated capital, PAM account, using NVFX. You can track all their trades. You can see there's 11 million bucks in this. This thing keeps growing and everybody just keeps sitting on the sidelines scared to death. So if you want to learn exactly how to join step by step, and I do have a referral code. Whoa. Yeah. You got to join the Telegram group, Sellers Top 10, the first pinned message. You'll see a Word document, and I give you literally step by step. You ain't going to find this on YouTube. It's all in my Telegram group, first pin message, if you want to join. And if you put in over $25,000 in this sucker, message me. I'm going to send you a gift as a thank you. All right, that's it for this project. Condolences to the Queen and to those that are mourning her loss, to her family. Any loss is a loss. And I just actually spoke with a friend, and he said his mother doesn't have much time left. And that's where like crypto and everything has its place, but make sure you love your mom, give her a call, love your family, friends over finances. That's the rule here at the Drip Farm. Finances are fun. These gamble plays, these fun little investments we're in, all that's great. But like if you do not have relationships with people, please make that priority in your life. Money can't buy that. Can't buy relationships, and relationships are what make life sweet. You know that. Anyways, no more therapy, but I do love you all, and I really do appreciate those that are in my like squad. It's like you guys always like every video, and that means the world because you guys know the YouTube algorithm. It's crazy, and the only way to get videos shown is by liking. So like the video, join our Telegram group, and play around. See if you want to join me. Not financial advice. You could get wrecked. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one.